All right, let's get you breaking updates now coming in. It's 8 days and counting because now we're seeing disruptions again. We just played out the situation at the Bengaluru airport, and now 23 flights have operated till 8 a.m. We're told that the terminal and the airside are functioning normally. Passengers are receiving some assistance at the airport. My colleague Dharani is joining us with the update. And Dharani, so as the situation is unfolding, what we're witnessing is that in some of the airports, the situation has returned to normalcy. But in the other airports, it looks like there are still some hours or days to go until everything is fixed.
Well, as you rightly said, it's been 8 days since this issue first broke out, and today we are given to understand that almost 41 flights they've got cancelled at the Chennai International Airport. This includes 18 departures and 23 arrivals. So, of course, the number of cancellations that is reducing day after day, but today a total of 41 flight cancellations are witnessed at the Chennai airport, 18 departures and 23 arrivals. So let's wait and see if at all the number is further reducing down in the coming days. But of course, the inconvenience on the ground for the passengers still continues, and the passengers of these 41 flights, they'll have to check with the Indigo staff for their refund and other process. And of course, many of them, they might have booked their tickets for emergency reasons, and they might have booked their tickets for work purposes, and all of them, they've been left out to suffer by this airline is what one can very clearly see. So a couple of days back, this number stood at almost 70, but right now it has climbed down from 70 to 41. So the number of cancellations is seeing a reduction, but it is very slow in pace. The reduction is very slow in pace is what one can understand. So it looks like it will take another 3 to 4 days for Indigo to attain normalcy in the Chennai airport. But let's wait and see how the passengers are coping up with the situation, and how the passengers of these 41 flights today, they are coordinating with the Indigo staff on the ground to get their refunds and other assistance.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with those details.